What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to find out the derivative of secant tan2x, and here I just want to have a quick review. Secant x, the derivative of secant x is secant x times tan x. Derivative of secant u, if u is a function of x, is going to be u prime times secant u times tan u. Derivative of tan x is secant squared x, or 1 plus tan squared x, or 1 over cosine squared x. It means that whenever you are dealing with tan u, when u is a function of x, it's going to be u prime secant squared u, or u prime times 1 plus tan squared u, and u prime divided by cosine squared of u. So let's go back to the question here. Is secant of tan2x, which will be, I need to use this formula. It's going to be u prime, which is tan derivative of tan2x times secant tan2x times tan of tan2x. Derivative of tan2x based on this formula is going to be 2 times secant squared of 2x times, then the rest of it, secant of tan2x times tan of tan2x. So this is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I will leave some related videos and playlists in the description in case you need extra help. Thank you for watching and have a great day.